guys, I'm Dr. Tucker. We're going to demonstrate how to clean the hearing aid and how to change the wax trap. This is like 90% of the time the reason why a hearing aid might not be working for your grandmother or great-grandmother. First thing I'm going to do is just wipe the outside with an alcohol wipe. The second thing I'm going to do after I wipe it down is to remove the dome. The dome is this little rubber tip. I'm going to remove it just by peeling it off the hearing aid, and then I'm going to check to see if I have a wax trap. My last one. The wax trap is this little, it's in this little white case that I gave to you guys. We open it up. There is a black empty side and a white full side. With the black empty side, I'm going to stick it straight into this little white rubber dome, or sorry, this white rubber donut looking piece, and go straight in and straight out. You can see that I removed the white donut. Then I give it a 180 and I put the new white donut straight in and straight out. After that, I put the dome. You can see that there's a little tunnel in the dome. I match that with the receiver wire and go straight in and tap it down to make sure that it's firmly placed back onto the hearing aid. And this will eliminate 90% of the problems that you might experience with Rose's hearing aids.